Welcome back to the channel today. I got this D100 John Deere tractor that won't start, won't turn over. So the solenoid clicks, so I know it's getting 12 volts of solenoid. Let's look at it, see if we can get it running. So I got on the other side of the solenoid here, turn it. Hear a click. 10 volts, and I got 11 on one side. And 11. Anyway, see smoke come out of the starter right now, so the starter's screwed. I'm gonna give it a tap here. There you go. So definitely the starter brushes were sticking. Alright, taking out the screw here. And then take these two front bolts here. There's two more in the back. Some of these bolts there, see the ridge in the back is longer and the front ones are a little shorter. So make sure you don't mix them up. It should just pop out here on the side. So put the nut back on here. So I'll take these two bolts off here. It takes 13 mil wrench. Now I've got the starter off my from a spare motor that was blown up. There we go, nice and tight. I'm just gonna put that in there for now. Put the brake on. Now, if this turns over and stops, then we got more of a problem. I'll check the oil here first. Got the oil. Don't forget to hook the wire up. Turns now. So it turns, it locks right up. So I know the starter's good. So we're gonna check the valves. So the intake here should be 0.08 of a mil to 0.12 of a mil, or 3 to 5 thou. So I got a 4 thou here, just perfect. Look, just a little bit of drag. The exhaust should be 5 to 7 thou in here, and it's a little tight, but they're within spec. So the compression bump on the camshaft in here, this toast. If this turns over and locks up, and your valve are good, what it is this decompression bump here, it let go on your camshaft inside. So I'm going to take this motor apart, change the camshaft. So I'm going to take the motor out, just unplug this cable here and unplug like that. The throttle cable out. Jack it up here. And take this pulley off here. Put the brake on to relieve the tension off the pulley. And there's 4 bolts underneath here. This one here takes 15 mil. Alright, tension is off the belt. Takes 15 mil. Put it down on this. Might have to use a 2x4 or something if it sticks a little bit. There you go. Already loosened off the bolts for the motor. There's one here, and 2 in the back over here. Motor out. Gonna drain the oil out of it a little bit here. Alright, I drained most of the oil out of it. And turn the motor upside down. A couple bolts here, this 1/2-inch socket. They should all be the same size. Just tap it easy up here. Just tap it up here, just hit the hammer. Should come out. There you go. There's your governor. back off these valves here so I can take the camshaft out. Take the rods off. The steel one is for the exhaust one. Alright, this camshaft should just come right out. As you can see, the lever's gone out of the camshaft. It's in there somewhere. And I'm going to turn over the motor upside down here. Drain the rest of the oil. I found all the parts. They weren't in the motor, they were in the oil there. I couldn't see it. Razor blade works really good. Alright, I cleaned the gasket. This did a real good job. Let's just put brake cleaner in here. Clean it good. Clean everything in here. And try not to go inside the cylinder. A little compressed air in here. Put a clean rag here on the edges. There's a little dot on this gear here, so I'm going to rotate that where the camshaft's going to be. That's right there for now. Just a little bit of this braking oil here on the cam lobes. This camshaft and lifter lubricant. Stick in there the motor here and push them all the way in. Well, this camshaft's got a mark on it here too. So I'm gonna line that up. This goes just like that. The two dots line up. Now for the governor, this goes on top of the camshaft. This pin goes right against the governor shaft right here. So I'll put that right there. Now this one doesn't have an oil pump, but the 18 horsepower and up, this gear here will turn a pump. So there'll be a cover right here. Take cover off, take this pin out, and put the pin in after you put this cover back on. Of this silicone, not much, just a hair around these bolts everywhere. I don't want it to leak. Just a little bit, and I'm gonna run my finger here on the inside, so make sure there's none on the inside here. I'll put a little bit of here on the motor. Put a little lube here. This is a good time to change the seal. This here, the lip, looks really good. I'm going to reuse it. There you go. A crisscross pattern. Yeah, I forgot to tell you, when you put this plate in, you make sure you don't roll this lip on the seal when you put it in. If it hangs up, and you press on the lip on the side like that, then you wiggle it in, push it in. We torque these to about 300 inch-pounds or 25 foot-pounds. If you don't have a torque wrench, you can just guess. Make sure everything's the same. So, clean your push rods. The aluminum one goes on the bottom. Make sure it's in the lifter back down there. So the steel one goes on top for the exhaust. Yeah. tighten these down. And clean the gasket here. Should have it laying down here so nothing goes inside the motor. So it just takes a drag on there. Okay, I'm going to set the intake. So there's a nice drag on it. Now we can see the compression bump here. You'll see it here in a minute. Okay, watch this bump here. Up all the way, and it goes back down right there. See it? Exhaust. It's going to go all the way up and back down right there. See it? Now that's the decompression bump that we need. It's working there. Now let's put a little silicone here. Just gasket maker. Put the exhaust pipe in the muffler. I'm just going to put the 4 bolts underneath the motor. I put the pulley, the belt around the top pulley. Yeah, put some oil in the motor. More. All right, CC fires up. I put a little gas in the carburetor a little bit. Alright, that's running good there now. Alright, if you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel, click below. Smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.